So I guess this is the point where I learned how to fiberglass. So a couple of the things that are easy to tell is this corner section here. That's all completely missing off this one. Other than that, they just got scrapes and stuff. They're the side skirts that go along the bottom. And then this has got some big chunks missing here and there. There's been some work done on there, not very well. And then right here, this is actually popped it back into place, but that all has to be fiberglassed. And then right here all has to be fiberglassed. So I guess just gonna learn how to fiberglass. So then this I think mostly is just Bondo. I don't think I think this is just the top paint layer that's actually cracked and stuff. And then here's what it looks like naked. These parts here, this is the bit that goes over the handlebars, and then this piece is the bit that goes to the ignition, so that kind of sits like that. And yeah, there's not much to it. I haven't taken off the back yet, although I have taken off the tried to clean it. It's going to be a tough job. And then the latch, because that needs to be fiberglassed. So I guess I'll pull that off, and we'll go from there. But these are those coilovers that I was trying to talk about in a previous video. I actually turned them up maybe a ½ inch, and it changed the way this wheel sits, so it won't rub on that anymore. But I'll have to have a better look into that. And these are the headlights. This is the one that didn't sit in there correctly. It's also got a little bit of rust and stuff in there, so I'll have to see about getting new lights. The blinkers are off Piaggio, which is the same as the engine, bike, but they're a Euro spec, and so I can't get them in the United States. At least with the Peugeot tail lights, I can get them. These blinkers, I can't even get them, so I'm going to go with them as they are for now, and we will worry about that at a later date. But I've got some vinyl on its way, so I can wrap it, and I got my helmet. Mine and Janelle's helmets both showed up, and then just waiting on Benny's helmet. And but yeah, I mean, it's cold. We can't ride it too much anyway. Today's the coldest day we've had in a while, but it's getting colder, so there won't be too much riding going on. But there's a few things I gotta repair, like down here where the steering is. That's where that other piece has been rubbing, there and there, and so I gotta do that. And then the body has this under it, so that you get rid of vibration, and it's coming off in a few places, so I'll have to track that down. Apparently Ducati make this piece which goes into the main harness, goes back, and it goes to the switch button. Look at it. Yeah, so it's a Ducati ignition switch, which is good to know. But anyway, that's the underside of the side pieces. So they're actually not too bad. This side's the side that has the gas tank on it, as you can tell by that stain. So this wasn't too easy to pull apart. This is actually the brake fluid reservoir hole, and that was actually pulled it out from behind, but that's held in with a rivet. So I'm going to drill that out, and then that switch, I just popped it out. But anyway, so I'm thinking I might wrap that black, wrap those two black, and then wrap the rest of it. I ended up going with a blue, so I wrap the rest of it in blue, and then obviously that floor will have to stay the way it is. It's got like a non-slick surface on it, and then at the bottom there's some holes for drainage if it gets wet. So anyway, that's where I'm up to. So this is the section. So there's the body, main body there, and then that's the section where those big yellow pieces go. That's the gas tank. Just, where's my finger? There it is, right there. That's the gas tank. And then this is part of the inside there. The exhaust is not only loose, but the welds come out at the back, but it's not even attached. I can't get it to light up, but anyway, it's not attached. And there's the Piaggio, and there's the air filter, and this is actually the transmission, I guess you want to call it, CVT, and then up there is the actual engine, but that's the other side where that piece is from. And I don't know what I did with it now, but there's a piece here somewhere that was the fender that was attached under here, which was totally gone. And then these are those Euro spec blinkers. As you can see, this one's okay. It's not the prettiest thing around, but it's okay. But this one's missing this bottom section. So again, not going to worry about it. It is what it is. I've got this one off right now. That one's fine, there's nothing wrong with that one. This one I'm going to put a little glue where the crack is through here. Yeah, that's about all I've got to say about that. Well, the gas tank's empty. No, just kidding. It's been a few days since I posted, and so I thought I'd better get a post in. So I haven't done. I haven't had much time to do anything. I've done a lot, but that's actually disconnected. It's just sitting there for measurement reasons. But all the stickers are gone, and it's been rubbed down mainly in the areas where it needs to be repaired. There, under there, over here, and now the lights actually fit into those where they didn't really fit before. So that's all done. So I've got a few more things here. I've got to do some fiberglass work on it. This is the wrap. So it's going to be that color blue. I've got some seat belts. Are actually 4-point harnesses, so they'll be a little safer. And then all the cracks are now gone out of this, so it's all been rubbed and bondoed, and it needs a little fiberglass work done. And then, despite the fact that the glue is still there, the actual stickers have all been removed from it, so it's looking pretty good. A little something happened, and I've got to go and get a trailer so that I can move this thing. I gotta get a measurement, make sure that the trailer's the right size and everything, and a little something's happened. So I'll tell you more about that when it actually happens. But anyway, this is looking really good. I think I'm going to cover that in leather, or not leather, but you know, vinyl, leatherette or something. And then I'm going to do these probably the same shape as the actual tub, and so I'll do those new. But I'm about to hit the road here and go and find out what I need to about this trailer, and I'll see you next time.